So you want to be an influencer and sell stuff on YouTube and Instagram. Well, before you do that, you've got to know the 3 rules of influencer marketing. So I have no idea why I'm making a video on influencer marketing in the middle of the forest. Hey creator, I'm Ian Corzine, your social media lawyer, and on this channel we talk all things social media law. So you're big time now. You want to be an influencer like Kylie or Cardi B? If you don't want to be sued, you've got to know these 3 rules. Rule number 1, you have to follow FTC law. What is the FTC? It's the Federal Trade Commission, and if you're an American doing advertising on social media, then you are governed by the Federal Trade Commission. Their charge is to protect consumers against unfair commercial practices, and if you are an influencer, you want to be an influencer, you have got to follow FTC law. Rule number 2, you have to disclose the full details of your deal with the brand to your audience. It's not enough to say I got something for free or to thank a manufacturer. You have to let them know that this is a review and I'm being paid for the review, or I got this product for free to try, or I'm being paid to use this product to make an advertisement on social media. You must disclose the full details of your deal on the video or on the post. 1, it actually complies with FTC law, but 2, your audience will thank you because it's more transparent. They'll believe you. You get more credibility. Oh yeah, you can put #ad in your post, and that complies with FTC law. That is a disclosure to your audience that this is an ad. Rule number 3 is you've got to have a clear and obvious and full disclosure on social media to comply with FTC law. Clear means that you've got to put your disclosure that this is an ad at the front part of the post. It could be at the beginning of the video, or it could be at the beginning of your written post. The disclosure has got to be obvious also. In a written post, some people put it in all caps, or they bold it, or they put it in an obvious place so the people, the audience that's looking at your post, knows it's an ad. If it's on video, you really should do it at the beginning, and you should make sure that you speak into the camera and let your audience know that this is an ad. The disclosure has got to be full. You can't get away with just saying, I got this product to try. You've got to say, I got this product to try, and I get to keep it at the end, or I'm being paid to try this product. Oh yeah, and one more thing, it's not enough to rely on the social media's ID on the post, like sponsored by or in partnership with. You've got to disclose. You got to make it obvious. You got to make it full in the post itself that this is an ad. For my free influencer marketing legal guide, text Ian, that's I-A-N, to the number you see on the screen. Text Ian to this number. All right, so now let's talk more about doing business on social media. If you want the steps for how to do great business deals on social media as an influencer or otherwise, watch my video right there. And as always, as you watch, I'll be here, maybe not here on the trail, but maybe in my office, but I'll be there to answer any questions about social media law that you have. And always, as you watch, I'll be here, probably not here, but I'll be in my office. Me office, mate! Sorry. If you don't want to be sued, you've got to know these 3 rules, and you've got to have a daughter that can get her camera right. My God.
Oh, I'm like sweating and tired.
And always, as you watch, I'll be here, maybe not here, I'll probably be in my office, or I'll probably be talking like this. I don't know why I'm a bloody fool right now, mate. Oh, my mate. Hello, mate.
So
all right, could you get me? It's all